In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock layers in Draw AEO for Confluence. If you work with complex diagrams, locking layers is a simple way to protect finished sections from accidental edits while you focus on other parts. It's especially handy when collaborating because it keeps layouts consistent and prevents unintended nudges or formatting changes. First, head into Confluence and open your diagram in editing mode. Depending on how your page is set up, you might click Edit on the page and then open the diagram, or simply double-click the diagram to launch the editor. The key is that you're inside the Draw.io editor, not just viewing the diagram on the page. You'll know you're in the right place when you can select shapes, see the toolbar across the top, and the panels on the sides. Next, open the Layers panel. This is where all your layer management lives. You can find it from the menu, typically under View or via the Layers icon in the editor's interface, which often looks like a stack of squares. If you don't see it immediately, expand the right sidebar or look for a tab labeled Layers. Once the panel is open, you'll see a list of your layers, usually with options to show, hide, reorder, and most importantly for today, lock them. Now, in the Layers panel, locate the lock icon next to the layer you want to protect. Click it once to lock the layer. You'll see the lock icon change, indicating that the layer is locked. While the layer is locked, you won't be able to select, move, resize, or edit any shapes on that layer. This means you can safely work on other layers without breaking carefully aligned elements or finalized sections. If you need to make changes later, simply click the lock icon again to unlock the layer and restore full editing capabilities. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Give your layers clear names so you always know what you're locking. If you try to select an object and nothing happens, check whether its layer is locked. This is a common reason items feel stuck. Use locking before rearranging other elements to avoid accidental drags. And remember, locking applies to the entire layer, not just individual objects, so group related elements on the same layer for easier control. That's it. By opening your diagram in edit mode, revealing the layers panel, and toggling the lock icon, you can confidently protect key parts of your Draw.io diagrams inside Confluence while you continue building the rest.